Beautiful babes, I'm back. It's your girl Sweet Angel right here on Sugar Fingers. Y'all know I got something new to share with y'all, and we're going to actually do some swatches. This is the MelodySusie 8+1 Gel Nail Polish Kit. Now the one that I have is called Nude Revolution. It's a gel nail polish kit that features environmental friendly and healthy gel polishes made from non-toxic ingredients, which makes it safe and has low odor, no harsh ingredients or adhesives that lead to damaged nails. This is a soak off LED gel nail polish. And yes, it does need to be cured under an LED nail lamp. Easy application and good tenacity, long lasting for 21 plus days with perfect shine under proper application. Now I'm just super excited to go ahead and swatch these colors that I see on the tops of these polishes, and y'all know it comes with the instructions on the application and also a little coupon code here, but I have a great one for you that I will put on the screen as well as in the description box for you. So if you're ready to go ahead and begin swatching, we're going to start from the beginning and work our way to the end. Now this is the 8+1, so you do get a top coat here. This is it. I have so many of these. I hope I don't open up one that I don't need to be opening right now, because MelodySusie always includes the top coats and base coats and all of that. So I have several of those. So I'm just going to leave this one intact for right now, but we're going to swatch these beautiful shades. How about if I just start at the beginning and work my way to the end and do it that way? How about that? We're just going to slide this over for it not to get in the way. Now we have, this is a glitter G301. I already have my nails already prepared, so all I have to do is begin to swatch, and then we'll go ahead and make sure we cure, and you can see the final results of what we have. So this is the glitter. Lots of glitter in there. That's amazing. I love that. Now that is just one application of the glitter right now. Let's just go ahead and pop it under the lamp and let it cure, and we'll go to the next shade. I'll just interchange my little nails here so that we can move it along. This is G141. Looks like a goldish kind of glitter here. Oh, it's so pretty. Can you see that? Oh wow, that is beautiful. I'm in love. I guess I can swatch backwards, if hopefully that's okay with you all, and just get it on here. All right, I'll put that one under the lamp, and we'll go ahead and put another coat of this purple glitter on here. And we'll try this one again, trying to just let you see the complete payoff of the colors. So let's grab another color here. I'm just going to work it around because I don't know how long they've been sitting idle. And this is 994. All right, that's a pretty pink, a very pastel-y pink. I'm going to slide this one over so I can hold this in the middle. All right, let her cure, and we'll swap out. And we'll do number 370. Again, this is Nude Revolution, so everything is going to be in the nude family. Let's slide this glitter one over. That's looking real pretty right about now, and get you propped up properly. That's really coming off good. All right, let's go ahead and put another coat on here, because generally I will use 2 coats of my gel polish, so let's just be true to that. Okay, we have number 172. I like this one. It's kind of like a salmon color. Next we have 149. Pretty. These are super creamy. And now we have 129. And the final shade is 104. Looking pretty. This 172, I'm thinking about swatching it again. It did, I did have to touch it a little bit when I moved over on the other side under the lamp, so put a little bit more on there. Try to smooth it out somewhat. But overall, I'm loving all of the shades. Yes, I am. So just looking at all of the colors that came with this one here. That's the first one, first row there. That's really pretty. And of course, let's not forget the top coat. It says it was going to be a matte, so I'm assuming that it will, but we'll go ahead and do a swatch test on it in just a second. And now this one is cured. So let's go ahead and move it over here. And that's pretty. So let's take one of these and do a matte on it. So let's take this nude shade right here. Let's go matte with it. If this is matte, it may actually be a glossy top coat, but I thought it was going to be matte. And it looks like it's going to be a glossy. So that is all of the swatches, beautiful babes. I hope you love the colors as much as I do. I love nudes, and I generally gravitate towards nudes most of the time, or some form or fashion. You know, today I have on bright colors because I have to do swatches on different things, but you'll know how that goes. It's all part of the job. And let's see what we turn out. Yeah, that is gloss. Yes, indeed. So this is it. All of the shades, all swatched. Bada bing. So that is it. Thanks a lot, MelodySusie, for sending me over these beautiful shades, this Nude Revolution kit, 8+1. Really love it. And that's about it, y'all. I do appreciate you all tuning in today. And listen, don't be a stranger. My dogs are not going to be strangers either, because they love definitely not allowing me to have my moment. But that's all good. This is it, beautiful babes. If you want this, check out the links below. I do have my link down below, and I will be happy if I have one to share any type of discount code for my beautiful babes, so that you can definitely save some coins on your next purchase with MelodySusie. Thanks a lot, beautiful babes. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care of yourself, and remember to keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous. All right, bye now.